So what you can do now is start sketching in some detail, right? So I'm gonna go for the eyes first. Now look at the curve, still using the center line going across, using the lines for the eyes going across, right? That is gonna help you to work out this, because the eyes are slanted as well, right? It's not only slanted with the slant of the head, but the eye itself within the head has a slight slant, right? So this point is here, right? But this point here, this other edge of the eye, right on the edge there, it is below the line. Can you see? It's below that line, that guideline that's going across, right? So just there. So it's going to be about there, yeah? Right, that's where the eye finish, yes? So now, you're going to draw a line coming over, and it goes down to that point, right? I'm going to draw it a bit brighter. Hopefully you can see it. Yeah, draw it a bit brighter. So it's going to be curve, goes down to that point. The under one goes a bit further away from the line than the top one, so it's going to be about that. Right, it's got this curve here, and then it goes like nearly horizontally to that point. Right. So you can do the same thing here, right? Again, it's just below here. So you're gonna start about there. Gonna go a bit over the line, and then it comes down to that point. Here. So that's the inside of the eyes, yes? The inside, when I say the inside, right? The eyelid is above and below. The eyelids above and below, all right? So at this point, you can even draw in the eyelid, right? So you're gonna start about here, and it goes over to about there. Okay. Same thing again here. Then going to do the iris, the lens, I think. Yeah, goes there, goes there. Okay. Same thing over here, goes there, probably about there. You got to feel it out, you know. So I'll do so many lines, and then eventually I'll get the right line, and goes there. All right. Then you have goes there, goes there. This goes there. Okay. Right. I'm just going to the eyebrow. You could go and get your divider again, and you do it from the top of the head, or you can do it from the center line within the eyes to about there. Right. So the eyebrow stops about there. So you put line from here to about there, right? So the eyebrow stops about there. Okay. Okay. Just to indicate. Top one about the same. So about there. Okay, right. Next thing now, the nose, right? So we have the width of the nose, we have the top of the nose, the highest bit, and we have the bottom of the nose. So what we do now is join this, sketch this in, goes like that, goes to about there, right? This goes to about there. Like that. About there. And do the same thing here. Like that. Curve there. Yes. Right. Goes about there. Now, top lip, there, goes up, over, like this, and then it goes there, right? And this one do the same thing on the other side, goes up, bottom lip, from about there, goes there. Right. A lot of this is in shadow, difficult to see. Alright, then this one goes like this, from that point, and curves. We've got the main bits in now. Okay, so we've got the main bits in. In this picture we cannot see the ears, yes? Can't see the ears, so don't worry about that. Alright, now we're gonna be ready to start shading in a minute. So what we do now, we get rid of all these construction lines. Yes. All the construction lines, we get rid of them. So rub them out. That is why you need to do them light, very light. As I said, I've done them darker so that you can see. But when you're doing this, the construction lines must be very light. All right. So now you've got that. We're going to start shading, yes? Well, let's look at the shoulder. This line go from about there, right? It's now almost going to the nose. So from there, right? And then there's this that slope there, yes? The other side, again, roughly straight line from the nose. So you do like this there, and then it goes like that.